There is no shortcut to losing weight quickly. Having the right diet and following the intense workout session is the only way out to lose weight in an effective manner. But you all might agree that there is no harm in trying things that can accelerate your weight loss process. And if you are on a weight loss journey, chances are that you might be looking for some hack in the book for it. If yes, then try garlic. Garlic is a common ingredient used in all Indian dishes. It gives a distinct flavor to curries and is known for its potent medicinal properties. This superherb also helps to boost immunity, relax blood vessels, and reduces the risk of heart disease. How garlic helps in weight loss. It is true garlic has numerous proven health benefits, but various studies suggest that garlic can be used when trying to lose weight. It all depends on the way you consume it. The way garlic is prepared and processed can change its health benefits. Garlic is known to boost the energy level. It helps to burn calories and maintain healthy body weight. The herb is an appetite suppressant. It keeps you fuller for a longer period of time and also prevents you from overeating. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that garlic can stimulate the fat-burning process. This common herb is also an excellent detoxifying agent and keeps your digestive system in check. Here is how you should have garlic to reap maximum benefits. Garlic is packed with an enzyme called allinase, which can convert allin into allicin. The special quality of allicin works only under certain conditions and can be deactivated if exposed to excessive heat. As per studies, putting garlic in an oven for 45 minutes can deactivate the allinase and would reduce its health benefits. The same study revealed that crushing and allowing it to stay for 10 minutes before adding to any dish can retain the medicinal properties that it is famous for. Consuming garlic in the morning. For maximum benefit, it is advised to consume raw garlic with water on an empty stomach in the morning. Crush 2-3 cloves of garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes, then have it with water. Garlic with lime juice. You can also consume garlic with lime juice. Add the juice of a lemon and 1 crushed clove of garlic in a glass of warm water. Mix it well and drink it. As per experts, lemon juice and raw garlic help in stimulating weight loss. Honey and raw garlic. The concoction of honey and raw garlic is also effective in weight loss. To prepare this, all you need to do is peel and crush 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves, mix it with some raw honey. Let the concoction sit for a while and then have it on an empty stomach. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.